Love by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Read for LibriVox.org by Anisha. We cannot live except thus mutually. We alternate, aware or unaware, the reflex act of life, and when we bear our virtue outward most impulsively, most full of invocation and to be, most instantly compellent, search there will live most life, whoever breathes most air, and counts his dying years by sun and sea. But when a soul, by choice and conscience, doth throw out her full force on another soul, the conscience and the concentration both make mere life love. For life